exploring the beaches at Naic, Philippines next. Hey, welcome to ArtCo Drone Solutions. Today in this Philippine video vlog, I am at a beach near Naic, Philippines. And I'm there with some old friends of mine from the Philippines. So sit back and enjoy the video.
I saw you singing in a photograph, but I never learned your name. Then it wasn't long I fell in love and hoped you'd feel the same. So you told me, come on over and we'll sing a sweet refrain. And the world was turning slower, I can't explain. And I always will do right by you. Not a single thing I wouldn't do. I'm never gonna let you down. And darling, you should know, as long as we keep turning round, I'll never let you go. I saw you singing in a photograph, and I didn't know your name. It seems so long ago, I can't recall those days. And I always will do right by you. Not a single thing I wouldn't do. I'm never gonna let you down. And darling, you should know, as long as we keep turning round, I'll never let you go. I'm never gonna let you down. And darling, you should know, as long as we keep turning round, I'll never let you go.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like my content, please subscribe by clicking on the icon in the lower right hand corner. And don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is uploaded. Also do a live stream every Saturday evening at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, 7 Eastern. And I have giveaways. I give away a box of Instam's almond toffee, delicious stuff, and I give away other prizes. So, hope to see you on Saturday, and don't forget, keep 'em flying.